Cosmo DiNardo and Sean Kratz behind bars and facing charges in the Bucks County killings. Attention is now turning to the actions of those around them and their possible legal exposure. Eyewitness News reporter Joe Holden talked with an attorney about that and has more on what else DiNardo told investigators. Joe is live at police headquarters with more. Joe.
Jessica, and first, right now, investigators are scrutinizing that confession that Cosmo DiNardo provided to Bucks County authorities, where our sources tell us he implicated himself in 2 additional homicides from years ago. Right now, investigators poring over all of that. In the meantime, legal experts are also looking at those who knew Cosmo DiNardo and trying to examine possible recklessness on their parts. The investigation rating out from the Bucks County quadruple homicide is now quiet, but behind the scenes detectives are busy. Legal experts say some of their work is to pinpoint potential gaps that allowed Cosmo DiNardo access to a firearm and also the privacy of his parents' farm to commit these acts.
Here we clearly had known danger.
Attorney Tom Klein tells me after DiNardo confessed to using his mother's gun to shoot Jimmy Patrick, Dean Finocchiaro, Tom Mio, and Mark Sturgis, the question of recklessness, he says, enters the picture.
He clearly and obviously was mentally unstable, yet they let him have unguarded access to the gun, unguarded access to the property.
Friends say some of DiNardo's recent posts on social media became threatening, disturbing, and violent. Some who knew him have written about an ATV crash a few years ago that changed his demeanor following a serious head injury. An attorney for the DiNardo family did not respond to numerous requests for comment on Monday.
They gave him clear, unfettered control of his property, where he was literally, without their knowledge, apparently burying bodies. These are things which a prosecutor and a civil lawyer would look at in terms of what did they know, when did they know it, what could they have done to have prevented this.
Now, once again, our law enforcement sources telling us that police are re-examining some of the information in that confession by Cosmo DiNardo. Those sources also add there is no rush to judgment on any potential additional homicides because Cosmo DiNardo and his accomplice, Sean Kratz, are not going anywhere. They are both behind bars on no bail. Reporting live outside Philadelphia Police Headquarters tonight, Joe Holden, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Joe, thank you. Funeral services are set for 2 of the victims in the Bucks County killings. Family and friends of 22-year-old Mark Sturgis are invited to attend a memorial gathering Thursday night at the Fleur Funeral Home in Bensalem. Visitation and a funeral for 19-year-old Dean Finocchiaro will take place Saturday at the Doherty Funeral Home in Levittown.